Hey guys, this is Karthik Kanwal from Apex Finserv and I'm back with your fresh, daily dose of analysis since it's the beginning of a fresh week. So we're back with the watch list and the index outlook for tomorrow. Now, I sincerely apologize for the weekend, video is missing. I told you guys I'll be uploading one, but the thing is, I had recorded a video on Elliott Waves, the introduction, and what is it basically, the how and how to use it, when to use it. But sadly, the file got corrupted as I was converting it from one file type to another for editing. So I lost the footage there. So I'll have to re-record it now and I'll upload it the coming weekend. Once again, I'm sorry guys, but it's going to be there the coming weekend. So please be patient. Now, starting with the new trades that we have for tomorrow. The first one that we have is Cipla. Starting with the equity side as usual. The first one that we have is Cipla. Now on Cipla, we have a fresh high low formation. So we are going to go for a very simple logical long near the previous resistance turn support now at 775 with your stop loss going at 765 and ideal targets 1% on the upside. Moving on to the second is Torrent Pharma. Torrent Pharma seems to be continuing its major underlying structure of lower low, lower highs, as you can see. So we're going to go for a short at the recent support and resistance, or the recent swing point that we have at 2600. It's pretty far away, close to 2%. You can also take an aggressive entry near 2580, but we are being on the conservative side because we want high quality entries. With your stop loss going at 2630 and ideal targets 1% on the downside. The third is Jubilant Foods, where again, just like Cipla, it has made fresh higher highs and higher lows, breaking out from this downward channel that it had. So we're going to go for a long at 2225 or 2225, a stop loss at 2200, 2200, and ideal targets 1% on the upside. Moving on to the fourth, BPCL, it has broken its recent swing high and strong supply zone at roughly 355, 358. So that is exactly where we're going to go for a long at 358, stop loss at 354, and ideal targets 1% on the upside. Coming to the final equity script that we have is Maruti. Now Maruti, it seems to be pretty much sideways between 6800 to 6300. So we're going to go for a long position at the lower part of that level with the entry plan at 6800. Strong demand zone, support level, whatever you want to call it. Stop loss at 6730 and ideal targets 1% on the upside. Moving on to the indices, starting with Nifty first. On the charts, it's slightly tricky. We have the closing at again a small zone at 12260. If it breaks that, we'll be all the way up till 12350, 12400 maximum for tomorrow, I am assuming. And on the downside, I believe we should hold 12200 very strongly. Every pullback to 12200 can be additional long entries for aggressive traders, but since it's again at fresh highs, no aggressive entries planned. It all depends on how tomorrow's candles are being formed. I might switch down a time frame to 5 minutes and then take aggressive entries based on that intraday structure, based on the first 1 or 2 hours of the trading session. Talking about the option chain, I have resistance immediate at 12300 with 474,000 added contracts. Significant at 12400 with 403,000 added contracts. Support comes in immediate at 12200 with 1.2 million added contracts. That is why I said every pullback to 12200 can be an opportunity to add to your longs, with significant support coming in at 12100 with 1.3 million added contracts. The PCR comes out to be at 0.95 PCR of volume, so just indicating the herd sentiment. It is pretty bearish, so let's see how it goes for tomorrow. Moving on to the second index that we have, BANKNIFTY. Bank Nifty, just like Nifty, has closed at a zone 26,775, 26,800 cash plus, and the zone that we have is roughly at 26,850. Above that, we should easily see 27,000 in no time. On the downside, 26,500 should be held pretty strongly, and every pullback can be an opportunity to add for new longs. However, if you look at the recent candle formation, it has an uncanny resemblance to a small double top. So as long as 26,500 is not being broken, it should stay bullish, but if that's broken, then we might be back to 26,200 or 26,000 to fill these small gaps. So let's see how it goes. Talking about the option chain for Bank Nifty, resistance immediate at 27,000 with 238,000 added contracts. Significant at 27,400 with 173,000 added contracts. On the support side, immediate comes in at 26,500 with 335,000 added contracts. Significant at 26,200 with 140,000 added contracts. The PCR comes out to be at 0.86, which is again pretty bearish, but PCR of volume. So let's see how it goes. No concrete bias coming from the PCR of volume as of now for either Nifty or Bank Nifty. This marks the end of today's video, guys. I hope you are enjoying the content. If you are, let me know in the comment section below. And since you have watched the video and you're still here with me, don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and as I said, comment something nice. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press that bell notification icon as well. If you want all the content that I discussed with you guys, you can check out the Telegram channel @ApexFinServe, the Instagram page and the Twitter handle with the exact same user IDs, and you can find all of the material at all of the places. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a wonderful start to the week tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye.